Welcome back. Today we're considering the world of full-time RVing and exploring both the challenges and the incredible advantages that come with this lifestyle. Whether you're a seasoned RVer or just dreaming of life on the road, understanding both sides of the coin is essential. Let's get started. A question on an RVing Facebook group inspired this video. The question was, what is the biggest disadvantage of RVing? One of the biggest disadvantages RVers face is unanticipated expenses. Imagine hitting the road only to find out fuel prices have skyrocketed or your RV needs unexpected repairs. Costs for maintenance, storage, and insurance can add up quickly, sometimes leading to a budget that feels out of control. Another common pitfall is choosing the wrong RV. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement and end up with an RV that's too large or too small, or perhaps not the right type for your travel style. This can result in frustration and discomfort on your journeys. And there's lifestyle adjustments. Living in an RV requires a shift in mindset and organization, and often massive downsizing. It can take time to adapt, especially for those used to the comforts of a traditional home. Understood, but then I asked the question, and what are the advantages of RVing? Notably, freedom. The freedom it offers was the number one answer. Imagine being able to move about the country with your home, exploring new landscapes and visiting family without the hassle of booking hotels. You can see more of your grandkids, and you never have to leave your beloved pets behind. Your RV is your personal sanctuary, allowing you to change your view whenever you want. Whether it's waking up to a mountain sunrise or a beach sunset, every day can be a new adventure. Staying with family while maintaining your own space is another perk. You can enjoy quality time without feeling you're invading their home, making connections even stronger. So while full-time RVing comes with its set of challenges like managing expenses and choosing the right vehicle, the rewards of freedom, flexibility, and family connection truly make it worthwhile. Remember, every adventure has its ups and downs, but it's all part of the journey. Share your RVing experiences in the comments, and until next time, happy travels.